Look at my neck bright, I get that check right. I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe, off of that side. I'm in that new coupe, got been fired. I said what I said, right? Yeah, I get that check right. I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe, off of that west side. I'm in that new coupe, got been fired. I get that check right.
What up, everybody? Good morning. Hey, guys, this short video is to let you know of a video coming, sort of like a premiere type of deal. Listen, we will be changing out the belt. We'll be installing it with something very nice, and it's green. Also, we'll be doing the pulleys on the components in the engine. It's more like an under pulley type of deal, so it does not have too much stress. But you can hear the little squeaking in the background. That's a belt. It's a brand new belt, but you know, when you have these things turning some wicked RPMs and then it cools down, and then all of a sudden you start back up to start squealing because it does actually get hot. So I will be doing a video, and I want you guys to be in tune on this next week. Monday will be a video on how to change your belt and your pulleys, and I want you guys to make sure you catch in on this video, guys. Squeaky belt. Squeaky belt. Of course, you know I got my coilovers installed. If you guys didn't see that video, you need to go check it out. Clean vehicle, ain't it? Very nice. So peeps, next week Monday, watch out for this video, okay? I want to show you guys how to change the serpentine belt. I'm going to put the green stuff. I'm going to replace the normal belt that you usually get on the shelf with the green stuff, and I'm going to show you green stuff. Guys, this is the good stuff here. This is the Gates. It's a K060739HD. This is a high, heavy-duty belt that will not be doing what's going on back there without squeaking. And we'll be just changing out those pulleys, and the pulleys are going to closely match the color of the car. I appreciate everything you do. I'm nothing without you guys. But anyway, I'm here to help you. So remember, as always, peace, love, and happiness. And remember, next week Monday, this video is coming out just for you.